okay, you're my daughter's best friend in college. Got it. Yeah, just sit here and she should be back soon. I don't know when she's gonna get back, but is there anything that I can grab you? Like water, snacks? Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, I got some water. Here you go. And I also got some snacks. There you go. Okay, but she should be home at any minute now, so, yeah, just sit here tight, and yeah. And, how are you guys enjoying college so far? Well, I'm glad you guys are having fun. I see you're dating someone. Well, that's good, I'm sure. I'm sure he's nice. You guys are having issues. Well, that's not good. I mean, you guys are young. You guys can figure it out. You want to break up with him? Interesting. Well, regardless, I'm sure you'll find a nice college boy. They're not all bad. Everything will work out fine. I mean, tell me, what kind of guys do you like? I mean, there's a lot of guys out there. There's nice guys that will be sweet to you. There's the bad boys that will treat you wrong, but you'll be addicted to. There's the simps. The simps will just look at you like a goddess and worship the floor that you walk on, right? There's a jerk that doesn't give you attention. So many type of guys out there. What kind of guys do you like? Oh, okay. You like older guys. Interesting. There's a lot of girls that like older guys, so it's very, very normal. Oh, wow. You like him that old? That is practically my age. I mean, I think you would like someone a little bit younger, I'm sure. And more age appropriate, so I'm sure you'll find a nice guy. Anyways, we're gonna change the topic. Tell me about your classes. That's good. I mean, if you study hard, you're gonna get really, really far. I mean, when I went to college, I had a hard time in some of my topics. That's where I met my wife. We had the same class together. It was like a math class, and I pretended to struggle so she can help me. But, I end up tutoring her instead. Yeah, she struggled in math. She's not very good at math. But she's good at everything else. She's a great mother. A great wife. She's practically my dream girl. And I love her very, very, very much. And someday you'll meet a man and you'll fall in love. Just like how I fell in love with my wife. You guys will be happy. You guys will get married. Have kids. It's gonna be a great life, trust me. He's out there. What do you mean you want me? Oh, sweetie, that can't happen. You're lovely. You're absolutely lovely. I'm serious. Everything about you is very, very lovely, but I'm an old man, and I have a wife, and you're my best friend's daughter, and it would just get really, really, really messy. I mean, I do. I find you very attractive. I do. I find you really attractive, but it can never be. Imagine if word just got out. It wouldn't be a good look for both of us. I mean, no matter how much I want to, I just cannot let it happen. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, you kind of look like my wife when she was in college. That's why I couldn't keep my eyes off of you. But now, this can't happen. We can't be a thing. As much as you want it, and as much as maybe I want it, we can't let it happen. Do you understand? We just can't. I can't let it ruin my family. I mean, yeah, I can't do it. I really hope you understand. I mean, I do want to do it. I want you really, really bad, but I don't think I can have you. It's not gonna be right. Oh, that's flattering. I'm glad you want me really, really bad. But it can't happen, okay? It really can't. So, I mean, I really hope you understand that we can't let it get there. There is no way that we should ever let it get there. Do you understand? I mean, I kind of just want to cuddle with you. I know I shouldn't do that, but I do have a bed and we'll just have a nice, innocent cuddle. How do you feel about that? You know, I can just lie down here and just get lost into your gorgeous eyes. Your beautiful eyes. I just love looking deep into them. I can be here forever. You really do have the most beautiful eyes in the whole world. And your lips, I just love kissing your lips. Your lips are so kissable in every single way. Oh, I love it so much. They're just like clouds, and you know, they're soft just like clouds, and I just love kissing them gently and softly. I'm so obsessed with your lips and your hair. Oh, I love touching your hair, and I love the way you do your hair. It's always so perfect, just like you. And you have the most beautiful face because everything about you is so perfect, from the lips to the eyes to your cute little nose. You're just so perfect and beautiful, and every time I look at you, I just fall in love over and over again. I'm always amazed on how beautiful and perfect you are, sweetheart. You are the prettiest and most precious thing in the world to me. And that neck, that delicious neck of yours that I love to kiss gently. Oh, I love your neck. And also I'm weirdly into your collarbone. There's something about your collarbone that just drives me wild. I like it a lot. I know I'm weird. I'm just into weird stuff like that. You know me. And your stomach. And I just love your stomach. It's so cute. So smooth. I love you. And I love rubbing your belly. Yeah. Don't you love it when I rub your belly? Of course you do. Especially when you're on your period, I just love rubbing your belly. Doesn't it make you feel better? It does, huh? And I love making you feel better. Me making you feel better makes me so happy. You have no idea. You are so cute. I really, really want to have a baby with you. I think me and you will have the cutest babies ever. Yeah, I think me and you will have really, really cute babies. Maybe have two babies, yeah. That'd be cute. Mm, that'd be really, really cute. And your legs. You got the most gorgeous legs ever. You have such kissable legs. And I love running my fingers up and down your legs just like that. Yeah, do you like that? Of course you do, don't you? You're getting goosebumps. I can feel it. And your feet are so cute in so many ways. They're so small and soft, and I love, I love the way you paint your toenails. It's really cute. It is, and I love giving you foot massages. And you know, I don't have a feet fetish. I don't have a thing for feet, but with you, I can easily develop one. In your body, I really, really love your body. It's so perfect and beautiful in every single way. Ah, you're so gorgeous. I love kissing your body. I love touching your body. I love cuddling with you. You're just so perfect. You're like a goddess. You're my little princess, you know that? And I love you so, so much. You're just so wonderful and beautiful in every single way. Every time I see you, I get lost in your beauty. Everything you do, it's so beautiful. So beautiful to me. I love you so much. I'm so obsessed with you. You have no idea how obsessed I am with you. You're perfect, baby. You're my baby. You're my sweet, sweet baby. And I love you so, so much. Daddy loves you so much. And I love keeping you warm in my arms, cuddling next to you, holding you, making you feel safe in my arms. Because I would protect you from anything. No one would ever hurt my baby. And I love you so much. I would protect you with my life. I don't think you understand how precious you are to me. You're so precious.